Welcome to Mohimmatech, a productivity and collaboration tool designed for project managers, team leaders, and individual professionals. What makes Mohimmatech unique is how it fully supports Arabic and other languages. Another reason why it's getting very popular is how incredibly easy to use even for non-techie people. So let's see how to use Mohimmatech to boost your productivity. Once you've created an account, you will land on the home page. From here, you can easily access your basic profile settings and see the workspaces which you have access to. So what is a workspace? You can think of a workspace as a virtual area with different projects or work groups collaborating to achieve your goals. You can easily create and switch between multiple workspaces to keep everything structured and organized. Each workspace can have multiple stations based on your needs. Let's take an example of this software company. They have their own company workspace that has multiple stations. There's a development station, marketing station, they can have a finance station, and so on. You see, a station is a subsection that helps you further organize your work efficiently. Once you enter a station, you can have one or multiple lists. In each list, you can add your tasks. In Mohimmatech, we call these tasks records. Open the record details. Write the name and description of the task. Simply choose the start and end date and set the priority. You can add a label to it so you can categorize the task. If you want to add other fields that are specific to your work, you can add a custom field from here. The Kanban view is the default view, which is a very simple and popular view to track your tasks. Apart from Kanban, Mohimmatech has multiple views to track your tasks. You can access the grid view. People who are used to working on spreadsheets might prefer this view. Mohimmatech also offers an agenda view where you can track the deadlines on a monthly basis. It allows you to focus on the current month. Because sometimes you get lost in the big picture and forget the upcoming deadlines, so it allows you to focus on the ongoing month. Then there's a calendar view. Calendar view is very useful because it allows you to think about the external factors that can really influence your task management. Let's say you are in September and you have really important deadlines around 23rd of September, but you know it is a national holiday in Saudi Arabia. So you might want to drag and drop the task to a new deadline date. So anytime there is a change in plan, project managers can easily drag and drop tasks next to a new deadline date. You can also add a new task directly here. Mohimmatech also offers a timeline view. It shows the timescale of tasks and see what each member is working on. You can view the weekly timeline or even a monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Timeline view offers a unique perspective on tasks. Imagine if Mariam is going on leave at the end of the month. I can easily drag the task and assign it to Ali, who is going to cover during her absence. So each view gives you a unique perspective on things. Now, as a project manager, if you want to have a quick snapshot of the project, you can simply go to the dashboard. Through dashboard, you can understand if the project is on track or not. You can understand how the team is performing or what they need to focus on. It is fully customizable, and you can set it up in a way that works for you. You can also view the dashboard on a workspace level, which gives you a complete picture of how each department is performing. And if you want to have a deeper look, you can simply click on the station name from here, and it will take you to the station dashboard itself. One of the great additions in Mohimmatech is note management. Click on the documentation icon to manage your notes. You can use this for writing your plans, ideas, and minutes of meetings. You see, it has an ability to create subdocuments to organize all your notes and help you find the note you need. Now let's assume you added a minutes of the meeting here and you have some action items. You can create tasks for it and link them with the notes itself, so you can track and go through them on your next meeting. If you'd like to see the action items of your previous meetings, simply go to the list and stack by reference. Now let's talk about archiving. Mohimmatech allows you to archive an entire workspace, as well as any element inside, like the station, lists, individual records, and documents. You can use it to store the inactive records for future reference. The purpose of archiving is to keep the information in a safe place to find so that you can restore when you need. Let's say you want to archive an entire workspace. Simply go to that workspace settings, click on the archive button, and that's it. If you would like to see the archived workspace, by clicking on this button, you can enter the archive mode where you will find all the workspaces you archived and the records inside. Mohimmatech makes collaboration very simple. To add the members of your team to the workspace, you need to simply go to Workspace Settings and go to the Users area. Click on the Add Users button, add their emails, and assign them a role. Now, maybe there are some users you would like to give access to one station but not the other. For example, you would not like the marketing team to have access to the development station and so on. You can control the access of each user in the workspace. In order to do that, simply go to the Users area from Station Settings. You can either change their role or remove them entirely from the station. Mohimmatech allows you to receive a notification when a record is changed. Let's say you want to be notified whenever your team member updates a record in the list. Go to the list settings to enable notifications. Click on the 3 dots to enable it for the users who need to be notified in this list. To view the notification, click on this bell icon. Also, you can receive notifications by email. Click on the settings in order to change the email frequency. Mohimmatech is mindfully designed to help you easily manage your tasks, documents, and to collaborate with your team no matter where they are. Join the fastest growing task management tool in the region and achieve your goals with Mohimmatech.